Mga oras natin di ka makatingin. Subukan natin ang mga bagong parating. Lagi ba natutulala? Wala na ba magawa kaya nadarapa? Halina't dito maglakad at magsimula. Sa tuwing ikaw ay nasa aking paningin, di ko mapigilang matuwa sa gusto mong iparating. Tara na sumama sa'kin. Simula ng paglalakbay, kasama niyo ko sa tagumpay. Walang hilaan, dapat magtulungan dahil gusto kita makisama. Book First Vlog. Bakit ba kinakabahan? Dibdib mo'y dinadaga kaya nauunahan. Relax lang kaibigan, meron tayong pupuntahan. Bakit ba mag-aalala? Kalimutan ang problema, palitan ang saya. Subukan lang natin, meron tayong mapapasaya. Sa tuwing ikaw ay nasa aking paningin, di ko mapigilang matuwa sa gusto mong iparating. Tara na sumama sa'kin. Simula ng paglalakbay, kasama niyo ko sa tagumpay.
Okay, dito kami sa airport. Ayan, haba pa ng pila. Hi Star, where are you going Star?
Philippines.
The Philippines? Going to the Philippines, what are you gonna do there?
Swimming in the pool,
Swimming in the backyard pool.
Flood?
in the wide pool.
In the wide pool.
You mean
Street
flood?
Mhm.
Okay. Ashley?
Huh?
Ashley?
What?
Ashley's going.
Yeah, it's raining and then but they have flood.
Does that mean we're going to swim in the flood?
No, I'm just kidding.
Beach instead because the water is more cleaner. We're
Do you
going to
want-
beach because of the water.
Where kami? Wait, go step.
What?
Okay, yeah. Batsura natin. So, yan. Pagkatapos ng
Use my leash.
mahabang process,
Could you just use my leash?
yan, ano yung tali, okay. Pagkatapos ng aming may wagang, oh, don't do
Use my
that.
leash.
Huh?
Could just use the leash.
The wish?
This.
No, that's fine. Hindi na kami sa loob ng airport. Kaya pagkatapos ng mahabang kalkalan sa loob, I mean sa gate, ayan, naka-rouse na. Isa na lang checkpoint before before sumampa ng plane. Jump! Okay. So time check tayo mga bokis. Mag-alas 9 pa lang ng gabi. Flight namin is 10:50 daw. So ayun. Alright. Dito tayo. Hihintay. So that's our gate. I think we need to go down. Star.
Look,
Where?
it says A9.
Yeah, that's A9.
Are we going to that airline?
I don't know. Let's see.
A few moments later.
Hi.
Alright, we're here. Okay, where are you at now, Star?
Philippines.
Yeah, Philippines. Alright, let's go. Welcome back. After 2 years, dito kami uli. So, eto na. Eto na. Yung uwi namin na to, wala nakakaalam. So, surprise. Right, Star? Surprise, everybody. Charging station, ano. Bago to, ha? Dito na tayo. Okay, time check. It's 4:30.
Punta muna kayo ng carousel, sir, para yung bagayin nyo.
Alright. Ito kids, punta muna kami diretso sa carousel para kuhanin ang aming mga boxes at luggage. Oo. Ayo, Terminal 1. Sa Terminal 1 na kami. Today's date is what? Start July 14. It's Sunday morning. You okay? Huh? I'll just keep walking. You're in the Philippines now.
Dad say you want to play.
Alright. Alright. Okay, dito na kami sa Carousel 5. Pick up na lang ng luggage. Alright, Pilipinas. Game ka na ba? Start out. Antay lang.